Jai Hind children. Today topic is Microsoft Windows. We will learn here how to create a file and how to create a folder. How to delete a file, how to delete a folder, and how to restore a file and how to restore a folder. Let us see how can you create a file. Very simple. I want to sharing my screen to see. Yes children, you can see how to create a file. First, right click on any empty area. Suppose it is an empty area. So right click and choose new, and these are given files name. If you want to create a file with the Access database, BMP images, contacts, Microsoft Word document, general documents, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Publisher documents, WinRAR archive, text document, and Microsoft Excel worksheet. Anyone you can choose here. Suppose I want to choose text document and click on here. See, one document has created with the name new text document. Why it is a 2? Because already here is a created. So if you want to once again right click on the desktop where empty area, right click of the mouse on empty area, and once again I want to choose text document. Click on new and then choose the text document. See, here it is a second, but here is a third, because new text document already here and new text document 2 is here and new text document 3 is here. Understood? You can create any other file. Same process. Right click, choose the new. If you want to Microsoft Word documents, click on here. Now you can see new Microsoft Word document. It has created. Text document is created with the default file name selected. Type the name of the folder and then press enter. If you want to rename of that, suppose I want to rename this file. First you have to select that file which you want to rename. Right click and choose the rename option. Then background selected with blue color to ready for new name. If you want to rename of this file, I want to change this file name is ABC. Now this file name has changed. I want to change this Word file documents. Rename of this file. Same process. Right click. First you have to select and then right click. Option will be appear. Then choose the rename, and I want to change this file name is XYZ. You can see here this file name is XYZ and this file is ABC. Very simple. You can create a file and you can rename of file. First, once again I want to repeat it. First select your file which you want to rename of that. Select and right click of that. Option will be appear. Choose the rename. The background selected text has background is light blue. To ready for rename, and you can type here the name of the file. Suppose I want to, this file name is Hindi. Yes, this file name has changed into Hindi now. Me. First select, I want to rename of that file. Here is a XYZ, but I want to change this name, means rename of that file. First select and right click, choose the rename option and type the name which you want. Now English, means this file name has been changed. Okay students? Yes children, how can you create a folder? Very simple. First, where you want to create, choose the empty area and right click of the mouse button. This window will be appear. Choose new and click on folder. It will be appear with new folder. Yes. Once again, right click on desktop. Suppose I want to create a folder on the desktop. Choose the empty area and right click of the mouse button and choose the new. Then after click on folder. New folder is created with default name. On the file and folder task menu, click make a new folder. How? I will be show here. New folder is created with the default folder selected. Type the name of the folder and then press enter button. Suppose I want to change that name because it is a selected. See, background is selected with the light blue color. So you can write the name of this folder. Suppose I want to change this folder name is XYZ. You can see Now this folder is XYZ. How can you rename this folder? Very simple. First, select that folder which you want to rename. Select and then right click of the mouse button and choose the rename option. Now you can change the folder name. Just type to change the name Windows 10. Yes, you can see here the folder name has been changed into Windows 10. Yes, students. Suppose I want to double click on this folder. You can see there is a given. It is a empty area. The folder is empty. There is no any contents. 0 item is here. I want to create a new folder. Once again, you can right click on the empty area and choose the new, then choose folder. See, new folder has been created. If you want to rename, once again select that folder which you want to rename, right click option will be here, choose the rename option and now type here yes students, how can you create a file and a folder? How can delete a file and a folder? Very simple. Right click and choose the new and choose the folder. To create a new folder, see, you can see here it is a new folder. Type the folder name ABC. Now you can see here this folder name has been changed into ABC. How can you delete this folder, or how can you remove this folder? First, select this folder and right click option will be appear and choose the delete option. It will be delete in temporary. See, in the recycle bin, this file is deleted. Deleted file is in recycle bin. If you have to delete that file for temporarily, once again I want to show. See, I want to change this file name, this folder name. I want to change this folder name. How? First, select that folder which you want to rename, right click and choose the rename option and type XYZ. You can see the folder's name has been changed into XYZ. And if you want to delete with temporarily, select. There is a two method to delete it. First, select that folder which you want to delete and right click of the mouse button and choose the delete option. It will be deleted. You can find in recycle bin because temporary deleted files and folders are in recycle bin. How can you restore this folder? First, select that folder which you want and right click of that to restore and choose the restore. It will be restored. Means these deleted files or deleted folders is restored. Now next one, how can delete a file? This is a file. I want to delete this file. Very simple, same process is there. First, select that file which you want and right click of the mouse button. Option will be appear and choose the delete option. It is the deleted. You can find in the recycle bin. If you want to restore this file, same process is there. Select that file which you want to restore and right click, option will be appear and choose restore option. Yes, see, you can see here it is the restore. It is the deleted file to restore here. Now, second method, how can delete this file and this folder? Select that folder or file which you want to delete. Second method is here. I want to select this folder to delete and press the delete button of the keyboard. See, it is the deleted. And if you want to this file delete, first select and press the delete button. Now you can see here both files, deleted files are here. If we want to restore only file, which file or which folder you want to restore, select and press right button of that mouse and choose the restore option. It will be restored. You can see here it is the restore. Suppose I want to this also restore, same process and restore. Now you can see here your recycle bin is empty, the folder is empty, means recycle folder is empty. How can you delete permanently this file or this folder? Very simple. Suppose I want to this folder delete permanently with shortcut methods. First, select that file or folder which you want to delete it permanently. Select and choose, hold the shift button and press delete button. The dialog box will appear, or you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? If you want to press yes, it will be deleted permanently. See, now this folder has deleted permanently. You can't find in recycle bin. Yes students, how to make a copy of a file or a folder? We will see here. Let us see how can you copy of a file. How can make a copy of a file and how can make a copy of a folder. Yes students, suppose you want to this file. To make a copy of this file, select this file and right click of that file of the mouse button and choose the copy option, and then after right click and choose the paste option. Now you can see here it is a copied of this file. Here is written the file name is 123 and 123 copied. Very simple. In the copy items dialog box, select the folder where you want to insert the copy and then copy. Suppose I want to choose this folder and select this folder for copy. Very simple. Select this folder and click on this side. This is given. Yes, choose the home and first select that folder which you want to copy. Select that folder and click on copy, or you can choose the shortcut key of that, Ctrl+C. Yes, copy it. But after copied, you can use the paste. Then after click on paste. Now you can see here Windows 7 and Windows 7 copy. Understood? And one more method to delete that file or folder. Suppose I want to delete this folder. First select it and you can press the delete or Ctrl+D. It is a shortcut key for deleting. Ctrl+D or press this option. Now it is deleted temporarily. Next one. Select this folder to copy. Right click, copy option, choose the copy and choose the empty area where you want to paste. Suppose I want to paste here this folder. Here you have to copy and you want to paste here. Right click of the mouse button and choose paste option. Now you can see here it is a copy of this folder. It is a Windows 7, it is also Windows 7, means it is a copy of this folder. Very simple. Suppose I want to once again paste here. First copy one time and paste unlimited time. Suppose I want to paste here. Yes, paste here. Yes, you can see, or you can right click up that, you can see, right click up that, you can see. Yes, first you have to copy one time and paste unlimited time. Yes students, maybe you have understood of that. Yes students, maybe you have understood of given topics. How can delete a folder, how can restore a folder, how can rename of the folder, how can rename of the file, how can delete temporarily, how can delete permanently. Learn and remember it. Microsoft Windows is a user-friendly operating system. Yes student, Microsoft Windows is a user-friendly operating system. Computer store information in the form of files. Files are arranged on your computer to make your work easy. Windows 7 created 4 folders for you to store your files. Document folders store documents and other files. Pictures folder store pictures file. Music folder store music files. File is a place where information is stored in different forms like text, pictures, movies, images, database files, etc. Folder consists of files and folders in it. File name consists of 2 parts. First, name and the extension. The extensions show the type of files to category. Windows Explorer can be used to view all the file and folders. Details view display a list of files, a list of files and folders and their size, types. Icon view display the icon and file name. List view display a list of files and folder with no additional information and a small icon representing of the file. Thumbnails view display up to 4 miniature presentation of the file. Types view display a large file type icon and folder icon with up to 2 additional information. Recycle bin store the deleted file with temporary. Permanently deleted file is not stored in recycle bin. Learn, think and remember. Take care. Bye bye.